Listen. You hear that sound? That's the sound of a movement. The hearts that beat, all different, unique. The stomps of feet marching the streets out of the frying pan and into the heat. Defeat white supremacy. Hate is wasted space, has no place in advancing together as a human race. That's the sound of a nation. Collective spirit of generations break down walls of separation, voicing a proclamation, building bridges, a declaration. BIPOC unity is a celebration. They thought they could quell the frustration and anger, propel narratives that our communities act like strangers, preventing and keeping us from uniting together. Historically speaking, our histories are intertwined and bound by more than books full of letters. Countless stories of solidarity and friendships remembered forever. That's the sound of creation. Fighting for representation, rising above one station, combating oppressive operations through meaningful collaborations, expressions of aspirations. The importance of being seen takes action and words, healing and feelings, understanding and demanding to be heard. The activists, the advocates, the fighters, the radicals, revolutionists, disruptors can be your father, mother, sister, or brother, a friend, a lover. We can choose to stand and lift up each other, have capacity for one another. That's the sound of elation. Our heritage is more than a month, an everyday jubilation. Empowerment, a process of accumulation, joy, a sensation, forged relations through organizations, education, dedication. We are the instruments of inspiration. That's the sound of determination. Grow past limitations with the power of motivation. Strive for personal liberation. Learn from exchange of information. Progress and innovation is part of societal transformation. Prepare the next generation with better tools. Be the mentor on their journey to provide navigation. It's with high hope we set the youth on a greater destination. That's the sound of civilization. Coming together in appreciation, a time for consideration and open communication. From hatred, discrimination, to decolonization, to dismantling systemic racism, an equation is more than self-reliance. It'll take the sum of a formed and unified alliance, full of heart, revelation, elevation, and imagination. We can be the architects of lasting change and choose to be a part of the dialogues and conversations. Fulfill the promise of the America that has yet to be, a new America, united, better, and stronger together. That's the sound of dreams.